Hey, what's up? It's been a while. Today I'll be catfishing y'all and turning myself into Maddy from the hit series Euphoria. This is the particular look that I'm going for, starting right away with the ELLANA Minerals Classic Blur Primer and just spreading it all over my face. It was pretty hard to choose from the many stunning makeup looks of Maddy on the show, so I just chose this because it's one of the easiest to recreate. Next step is to correct the redness on my face, so I'm using the green color corrector from the Maybelline Master Camouflage palette. Just an FYI, I won't be doing or using the exact colors that Maddy had on her face because I don't have those colors, so I'm just gonna use a similar color. Yeah, FYI. Next, I'm going to conceal with this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, just concealing all the acne scars and also the dark circles. To be honest, concealing is not my forte on makeup, so I'm sorry if the concealing doesn't look like it's right. Moving forward to the foundation of the catfishing. I'm using this ELLANA Loose Mineral Foundation in the shade Hazelnut. I gotta say, this is really my go-to foundation at the moment, or actually for the longest time, because it's really lightweight and it's really good for oily skin and sensitive skin, which is exactly what my skin type is like. So yeah, I really love it. And it has really good coverage too. But of course, since it's a loose powder, expect some fallout. So don't be like me, don't wear black. For the game changers, I'm using the Face Shop eyebrow pencil. You'll really see the drastic difference of me without eyebrows and me with eyebrows. Eyebrows are really important, guys. They really frame the face. As you can see, I started with drawing a line on top of my eyebrow, just outlining it first, and then I'm filling it in from the arch to the tail, and then gradually filling in all the gaps on the inner brow. And of course, don't forget to brush with a spoolie to blend it all in. Look, can you already see the difference? I just realized my side profile ain't that bad. This is a public service announcement. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Do not just like it emotionally. Click the thumbs up button below and click the red button to subscribe. Thank you and have a good day. Now to warm up the face, we're using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. Finally, we're gonna add some warmth to this dumpling. Ooh, jawline has popped. Further down the line of catfishing, we have to create a nose line. Make sure that your nose looks like you just got surgery. Just like you got a nose lift. No injections needed. Would you look at that side profile? Gosh. It looks like I really had a nose lift. Using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer. Damn, that's a mouthful, but yeah, it's just eye primer. Or if you don't have eye primer, you can just use concealer. It works both ways anyways. For eyeshadow, we're starting off with the ColourPop Give It To Me Straight palette. I'm using the shade Downright, putting it all over my lid to act as the base and even transition shade, if that's what you call it. Next step, I'm tightlining my eyes with the Mary Kay eye pencil in dark brown. I'm doing this so that my entire eye makeup would look seamless, especially when I put lashes on later. The main color for this look would be your girl Divina. She's from the Through My Eyes palette from ColourPop. She's gonna cover my entire lid, but first I'm putting her on my crease, and then I'm gonna gradually welcome her to the entire lid. Lol. Just keep blending until you're happy with how it looks like. I'm also blending upwards and outwards to make a subtle wing effect. Back to the Give It To Me Straight palette, we're using the shade Actually. It's kind of like a neutral brown to add more depth to the eyes, because you know when you catfish and they can't see how deep your personality is, at least they can see how deep your eyes are. And yes, I went back to Divina because I have finally welcomed her to the center of my lid. And yeah, working her way inwards, just blending it out there, making her look bomb. For this part, I just went back to all the shades that I used and putting it on my lower lash line just to make it look seamless. Yep, that's it. Going back to the Give It To Me Straight palette, I'm using Be Blunt. It's this burgundy shimmer. Yes, add some shimmer to your personality, girl. Do it. Now on to the fun part. We have the acrylic rhinestones, and I'm gonna apply it with the JCat glitter eyeshadow primer. Now this is the most tedious task on the tutorial, but you can see how cute it looks, so worth it. Shimmer was definitely not enough. I need to sparkle. So I went back to the palette and used Flex to add more sparkle to my personality and of course to my look. Going back to the main event of this makeup look, I'm putting also the rhinestones on my eyebrows since that's what Alexa Demi had on hers. I would most definitely appreciate if you could comment, video suggestions or even makeup tutorial suggestions. Whatever you have in mind, just please comment it because I also want to see what your reactions to my videos are. Yeah. I'm sorry if this is kind of awkward. It's my first time to do an entire voiceover for a tutorial, so I'm testing the waters. Yeah, so let me know if this is what you prefer more or you want a more chatty video like when I'm actually filming and I talk on the camera. Just let me know. Drop your comments below. This is a public service announcement. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Do not just like it emotionally. Click the thumbs up button below and click the red button to subscribe. Thank you and have a good day. Next, I'm curling the lashes to prepare for falsies, or what I'm gonna use are actually more exciting. It's magnetic lashes from LUXX Lash. I'm using the PAIGE lashes. Look, it's so easy. Really, it's really easy to put on. I'm not kidding. And also, this is not sponsored. How I wish though, right? Look, you can already see the difference. Sorry, I kinda went off frame. But here is a normal, not fast-forwarded video. Look, that was really easy. Just adjust the lashes to your liking also. Confidence in a snap, right? What I also love about PAIGE is that it looks so elegant and simple, and it's not too dramatic at all. For blush, I went back to the Give It To Me Straight palette and just used a little of Downright to highlight the high points of my face and my nose. I'm using the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop. To tie in the entire look, I'm using the Cargo Cosmetics in the shade Dubai. It's my most favorite nude lipstick ever. And just like that, we're done. Here is the beauty montage. I honestly love how it turned out. If you plan to recreate the look, please don't forget to tag me at MicaTZN on my Instagram, or you can use the hashtag makeupwithmica. Thanks so much for watching. See you!